Bodrum, a picturesque town located on the southwestern coast of Turkey, is a captivating destination that effortlessly blends history, turquoise waters, and vibrant nightlife. Known as the Saint Tropez of Turkey, Bodrum offers an array of activities and attractions that cater to a diverse range of interests. Bodrum's rich history is palpable as you stroll through the narrow streets of its charming old town. The iconic Bodrum Castle, also known as the Castle of St. Peter, stands as a sentinel overlooking the harbor. This medieval fortress houses the Bodrum Museum of Underwater Archaeology, showcasing an impressive collection of artifacts salvaged from shipwrecks in the Aegean Sea. The Mausoleum at Halicarnassus, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, once graced this region and its remnants can still be admired. The town's coastline is a haven for beach enthusiasts. The vibrant beaches of Gumbet offer a lively atmosphere with water sports, beach clubs, and entertainment. The secluded Bitez Beach, with its calm waters, is perfect for those seeking relaxation. The vibrant Camel Beach is famous for its crystalline waters and the friendly camels that roam its shores. Bodrum's marina is a hub of activity, lined with restaurants, cafes, and shops that offer a variety of cuisines and local crafts. The town's vibrant nightlife is centered around the marina, with a multitude of bars, clubs, and beach parties that keep the energy alive well into the early morning hours. For a taste of authentic Turkish culture, the Bodrum Bazaar is a vibrant market where you can haggle for souvenirs, textiles, spices, and traditional goods. The weekly market in nearby Turgut Reis provides an opportunity to mingle with locals and sample fresh produce. Bodrum's proximity to the Aegean Sea makes it an ideal starting point for sailing expeditions. Chartering a gullet, a traditional wooden yacht, allows you to explore the pristine waters and secluded coves of the Turkish Riviera at your own pace. Nearby islands like Kos in Greece and the secluded Karaada, also known as Black Island, offer day trip options for further exploration. In conclusion, Bodrum's allure lies in its ability to offer a multifaceted experience, from immersing in its rich history and archaeological treasures to unwinding on its idyllic beaches and indulging in its vibrant nightlife. Whether you're exploring ancient ruins, sailing the azure waters, savoring local cuisine, or dancing the night away, Bodrum promises an unforgettable journey that captures the essence of Turkey's coastal charm and vibrant lifestyle.